Hello everyone, welcome to InSciLabTech community. I'm Sonam Kanchan, a PhD graduate. As per our For Researcher by Researcher initiative, today I'm going to tell you how to calculate standard deviation, standard error, and how to add error bar in graph with the help Excel. Before going forward, first need to know what is a standard deviation and what is a standard error. The standard deviation is a statistical measure that quantifies the spread or dispersion of a data set from its mean, and SE stands for standard error. It is the measure of the variability of sample statistic from the population parameter. Generally, we use SE to measure the accuracy and reliability, facilitate the confidence interval in the field of physics, biology, then the entire population being measured. So, today I am going to tell you how to calculate standard deviation, standard error, and how to put error bar in the graph form with the form of Excel. First, this is the example. Here we have these concentrations and these the experimental replicates. First we get the average value, put equals to mark and find average function. Select it, simply select and press enter mark. Next to simply drag to get the other values. Next, the standard deviation. SD stands for standard deviation. Here we find the standard deviation function by STDEV. Then select these replicates values, put enter mark, then simply drag to get the other values. Next, what we got the standard error. For this, we simply put equals to mark, select the standard deviation, divided by, find the SQRT function, square root, then put the number of replicates. Here it is 4, so I put 4, then enter. Here we get the standard error values by drag it. After drag it, first we prepare the graph with concentrations and average values. We go to the insert option, then go to the chart option, and simply this bar chart. We can edit our chart from add chart element option. We can edit axis title, chart title, data labels, data tables, error bars, grid line, legend, trend lines, etc. Here we add the axis title, primary horizontal and primary vertical. We can also change the font size from here. For error value, we go to the error bar option, then more error bar options, and click on error bars. Go to the custom, go to the specify value. Here we put positive error values and negative error values. From here, we get the error bars in our column graph. The same, you can add error bar in any graph. I hope this tutorial was helpful for your research. We would love to hear your feedback directly. So let us know what you think in the comment section. To continue the conversation, ask questions or collaborate with a fellow scientist, please join the community hub at InSciLabTech. The link is in the video description and pinned comment. Thank you for your time. Bye.